Hello everyone! Ayan, so I'm going to give you a little tour of this place. Ayan. Hello everyone! Say hello, Daddy.
Hey, ayo, kamusta ka? I just finished unplugging the refrigerator because nobody's gonna be here. Save on the electricity.
And then
turn the powers off. Everything is cleaned up, looking good and nice. We enjoyed our stay. We are excited.
yes, for our flight to the
Here we
Philippines.
come. Watch
Yes.
out.
Ayan, so before that, we're gonna be traveling from here to San Jose. Mag-stop by kami quickly sa mother-in-law ko para i-fix yung mga suitcase namin kasi meron pa kaming isang suitcase na naiwan sa bahay niya, guys. So anyway, I just wanna give you a little tour of our place here. Ayan. Okay, so dito tayo mag-start, guys. Dito yung aming, yan, malinis na. And then, ito yung kwarto ni Rachel. Malinis na rin. Yan. Tapos, we cleaned up the counters a bit. Ayan. Ito, yan. And then, naka-unplug na rin yung, or naka-off na rin yung gas natin to make sure it's safe. And then, ang kitchen natin, kitchen counters, ayan ang ating sink. Tapos, dito ang refrigerator, yan, naka-unplug na siya para malinis. Lilinisin pa yan ng maintenance, guys. So, there are stuff here that we are leaving. Ibibigay namin sa, sa pinsan ni Rachel. Yan. Tapos, ito dito ang ating... Yan, ang ating maliit na sala. Dito kami nanonood ng Monk. Right, Rachel? Yan, tapos...
Did Daddy sign out?
Daddy, did you not forget to sign out on Netflix?
Yes, I
Okay. Tapos, guys, yeah. Ito, iniwan na rin namin ito, ang pool. Kukunin niya ng in-law ko. Yan, para kay, kay baby. Tapos, medyo malinis na yun dyan. Yan, i-fold ko pa niya para maliit yun. So, okay lang. Yan yung damo doon. So, sila nila ang bahala maglinis dyan. So, that's it. What time is it now, Daddy? Okay, it's almost 1 o'clock na, guys. It takes us 3 hours to travel to San Jose. Pero baka lalampas pa, depende sa traffic. So, ayan. And then from my mother-in-law's house, didiretso na kami sa hotel na malapit sa airport, guys, para makapagpahinga kami ng maayos. Ayan. So, see you guys. We are ready. Are you ready na, Rachel? We are thankful na natapos namin lahat. And yeah, the packing is legendary. Yan yung basura namin, guys, na naiwan dito, kahapon, nag-collect sila ng basura. Daddy's here. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. All praises, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. Yan. So, na-collect na naman nila yung basura, pero meron pa tayong mga naiwan dyan. So, yan.
Bye to the hummingbird nest.
Yes. Ayan, Hi, cutie hummingbird.
Well, it looked like they're fixing it. Maybe it had a problem before. They're fixing it up.
Yeah. I'm recording. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa guys, San Jose. Diretso muna kami sa aming hotel. Alajuela. Diyan nakatira yung kapatid ng asawa ko. So, nandito na kami, guys. Hey.
Well, like the pool, except that it's too frozen. It needs to add the fountains.
Yeah, this is what she was saying. It's close to the pool. Right there. Ay, kalamit maligo. Pasok tayo, guys. So, gagawa na lang ako kaagad ng room tour. Ayan. So, this is our room, guys. Dito kami sa Wyndham Hotel. Yan, ito yung ating bathroom. Pasensya na guys sa ating, kay very, yan, haggard talaga. It smells good over here, guys. Ito ang ating sink. Tapos, meron tayo ditong mga soap, shampoo, conditioner. Ayan, tapos meron tayo ditong cute na mirror. Tapos, over here, na ay telepono. Meron tayong blower. Yan. It smells good and clean. Yan. Simple lang siya. Tapos, dito, meron tayong closet with, yan, safe. Tapos, meron din tayong plancha. I definitely need that so I can iron my husband's shirt. Maliit lang siya, guys. Ayan. Maliit lang yung ating bed, but it's okay. This is perfect for me and my husband. Ayan. Yeah, ito na. And then meron tayong maliit na TV. Yeah, but it smells so clean. Yan lang naman ang gusto ko talaga kapag nag-vacation kami and nagsistay tayo sa hotel. Ayan, this is nice. Oh, that's a nice decoration. Ayan, ano itong nandito? This is it. Maliit lang siya. Ayan. Hi, Daddy. How do you feel, Daddy?
In my office.
Yeah. Yan. So, kailangan ng asawa ko na kumuha ng or kunin yung aming seat assignment, guys. So, yan yung asawa ko. Oh. That's why he's always busy like that because he's the one taking care of our business. Yan. Na, kalimutan ko nga pala, guys, meron kami ditong maliit na refrigerator. Hinihintay ko na lang yung asawa ko kasi, yeah, he's trying to figure out how far is his mother's house from here. Yeah, parang mag-change kami ng plan. Baka bukas na lang kami pupunta sa bahay nila kasi check-out time namin dito is 12. So, para makapagpahinga ba, and usually around this time, traffic masyado dito sa San Jose. And yeah, siguro kakain na lang kami sa labas and then yeah, mag-refresh para makapagpahinga. And then yeah, tomorrow after namin mag-check then tomorrow after namin mag-check out, bali doon na lang kami manukad sa mama niya. So saka na lang din namin ayusin yung suitcase namin. So
Probably have a restaurant in here.
yeah, there is.
The traffic all over this nonsense.
Oh yeah, yes guys, sometimes aabot ng 2 oras or 3 oras yung traffic dito. Grabe ang traffic dito sa San Jose. So, what's the plan? Actually, this here, look over there, Daddy, to your left, to your left. Yeah, that's their restaurant. That's their buffet. Mm-hmm. Or if not, maybe we can just stop by at the nearest, if there's any closest restaurant or food chains. Okay, aalis na kami. Kakain lang kami saglit. Okay, right, Rachel? Lolo and Tito Bricks are good with that.